Today we are visiting the famous Volodymyrsky Market, located in Kyiv, capital of Ukraine, and it's truly the masterpiece of historical architecture. The main building was created in 1968 by architect named Feldman in style of Soviet functional modernism. Market's capacity is 485 trading lots inside and more than 500 outside. In this place you can buy variety of meat, vegetables and other stuff, and while you buying, you can charge your electric car. Although market has passed the age of 130 years, it's still very open to any updates and innovation. One of those is electrical charging station designed and developed by Electro Ukraine. Charge your bellies and charge your cars with Electro Ukraine. Дикий Дорадо, 500 гривен, между прочим. Дикий, но симпатичный. У него есть зубы, и если бы он так глубоко не спал, он бы откусил мне.